In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add QR code to Squarespace 2023. By the end, you'll have a clean, scannable QR code on your Squarespace page, ready for visitors to use. Start by opening your Squarespace website and heading into the site editor. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open Pages. This is where you choose exactly where your QR code will live. Select the page you want to update, then open the area or setting that shows the option to download a QR code for your site or page. When you see the Download QR code button, click it and let the file save to your computer. Most browsers will place it in your Downloads folder by default. If Squarespace prompts you to save any settings, click Save, and if a second confirmation appears, save again to lock everything in. Now return to your page and click Edit to enter content editing mode. Hover over the section where you want the QR code to appear and click Add Block. From the block options, choose Image. An empty image block will appear. Click Add an image. Next, choose Upload File. Locate the QR code image you just downloaded and upload it. Give it a moment to process, and then you'll see the QR code placed on your page. At this point, you can position the image block where it fits best in your layout. Centering it often works well, and leaving a bit of white space around the code improves scan reliability. If your design uses dark backgrounds, make sure your QR code has enough contrast to be easily read by mobile cameras. To make it crystal clear for visitors, add a short label. Click to add another block in the same section and choose text. Type a brief, helpful line such as, "Scan this QR code to visit our site," or "Scan to view our menu." Keep it concise and readable. You can adjust the text size or weight to match your site's style and maintain accessibility. When everything looks good, click Save to publish your changes. That's it. The QR code image is now part of your page, with a clear caption to guide users. A quick tip before you wrap up. Test the QR code with your phone to confirm it scans smoothly and directs to the correct page. If you notice any trouble scanning, try enlarging the image slightly or improving the contrast between the code and the background. You've successfully added a QR code to your Squarespace site, making it easier for visitors to jump from print